Hello adventurers. Disclaimer, this is a retake of part 3 of my pistol only stealth challenge. The reason why is because I unfortunately lost the footage for part 3 where I stealthed this compound. I cannot find it in my files, so I am redoing it. So that's it. This is done just after part 4 where I stealth the village. So that's the reason why I have this gun, which you should see me change during the part 4 video. But yeah, so that's that. Well, let's go clear the compound. So in the original footage it took me 3 tries to clear. So let's try to do it in one, since I now know how to proceed. Okay. So let's see what we're dealing with. Good God, I'm a terrible shot. Get that out of the way. Maybe on all this.
What a beautiful day.
Can you turn around? For a second, can you turn around, mate?
What's so special about this island anyway?
You've got a big bunker with a ICBM warhead. Thank you. Yeah, I forgot about it. Forgot about that guy. Oh, you got it. You gotta be kidding me. And he's gonna... Yeah, he's gonna walk away. You... freak. And you turn around, right? Oh my God. I think all that I have to do is literally just wait. wait for him to get back inside. At the body.
I need a medic!
No! How did you survive?
If only I had a strawberry mug.
Yep, if only, mate. If only. I think one of the reasons why I had so much trouble last time. Last time for me, you don't know how much trouble I had. I think one of the reasons why I had so much trouble was the underuse of my gun. I didn't use my gun all that much, and I think that's a part of what so now 106 meters. Close. Well, darn it. I try to play it like play it with my my rifle. Right, guys, take two. Hopefully. Right. What's that? Let's just drive there. I used the car and in the footage. I think the footage was what 50 minutes long. With the fact that I had to kind of wait for nighttime for one part, because if I didn't wait for nighttime, they would just see me immediately. This challenge is really making me appreciate the fact that I can that rifles have such a long range and scoped. Like have magnified scope too, because it's kind of hard to see with only a non-magnified like red dot a guy 100 meters. That's why I'm losing all of those shots. It's not because I'm bad. Definitely not because I'm bad. Um, wrong button, but that works.
I'm so tired of standing around.
There's another guy. Quick.
What's so special about this island anyway?
Took them out. I think I underused my gun. I think if I can, I have to take shots.
Right. Man, my legs are starting to hurt.
Hmm.
At least the sunrises are good here.
Only 4 more hours on my shift?
You'll get a burger.
I just need him to switch position.
If only I had a strawberry matcha right now. Only 4 more
I can
hours
see.
on my shift?
1, 2, 3. Take out those guys.
So boring these days. Are they ever gonna attack us? I've got up!
They've got eyes on no one.
When is that shift over?
Wish I could sit down.
I could really go for a Grand Prix right now.
Wish someone would get me a nah burger.
Scared the living hell
Wish I
out
could
of me.
sit down. So boring these days. Are they ever gonna attack us?
forget someone upstairs.
We've got intruders.
Let's go. Let's go. Alright, mates. Alright, adventurers. That was part 3 of stealthing BRM5 region with only a pistol. Technically a knife. But yeah. That's that was Pushkino. I'll see you around, mates. See you around, adventurers. Hello, adventurers. It has been a while since I've posted a video. That's because I had my second round of finals. So yeah, I didn't have the time. Plus, there was the holiday, so I took a break during the holiday to spend with my family, and we had I had my second time of finals to go through, so I didn't really have the time to edit the video I already made or just make new footage. So yeah, it has been a while, and I'm glad I'm back on editing. So I guess just be ready to see more video pop up in the next few weeks, since new semester equals new timesheet, new planning. So yeah, I'll see how I can fit like making videos and editing. Well, I'll see you around, adventurers.